Hey all, Jackson here by Color Jewelry. I'm here to talk to you guys about Jadeite Jade today. So here are some examples of Jadeite Jade. For example, these cocoa, you can see there's a lot of color variations in these. So one thing that surprises a lot of people is that Jadeite actually comes in a lot of different colors. For example, like all shades of green, you can see there's like how many shades of green there are already. So this is like more like a I don't know, like yellowish green, and then all shades of lavender. For example, they go to very lavender. So one thing that a lot of people don't know, if you're looking to purchase jade, the more color it has, the more expensive it is. So for example, this kind of color is very desirable. It goes all the way to the imperial green color, which is very, very like a rich, deep green. So for example, another very essential quality is the translucency. So when we look at jade, we'll kind of talk about the texture and the grain size of the piece. So for example, something like this, you can see this part is very opaque. It's very the grain size is a lot bigger. For example, when comparing it to this, you can see this one is very shiny and very gemmy, and you don't see any of the grain sizes. You can see, so you don't see any of the textures with the marbling, of the stone. Because after all, jade is still a rock. So, but there's very pretty rocks, So that's kind of what we look for in jade. And then, they're able to be carved into this. So another thing is jade is a very durable stone. That's why we're able to do very intricate carvings like this. You can see the face on these goddess of compassion, Guan Yin necklaces, and we're able to set these in 14 karat gold. See, this one has a diamond bail on it. You can see the setting is done very nicely. So these are all available on our website at www.bycolor.com. If you want to take a look, these are very gorgeous, set in 14 karat gold. Again, every piece is one of a kind. So, there's no way, another piece can be exactly like it, because, there's going to be they might look similar, but it's still going to be very different. As compared to nephrite jade, there are going to be more consistent colors, so we're able to make more higher quantities of these pieces. But Jadeite jade is very unique. So imperial jade, it's very expensive. But for example, this might be something you're able to get with $500, $600, $700. These are still very nice. Again, these are all Burmese Jadeite jade. And as far as where they're all from, Jadeite jade can be found in a lot of places around the world, but the most high quality and the largest quantity produced usually is in Burma. Okay, so Jadeite jade, the most gem quality jade comes from Burma. There's also other mines around the world, but that's the higher. For example, Guatemalan Jadeite jade too, but the higher quality ones are still going to be over here. And of course, there's going to be high quality and low quality stones coming out of those mines too. So it's just, but in general, generally speaking, that's what we're talking about. So if you have any other questions about Jadeite jade or any other questions, just let us know in the comments, and we will do our best to answer them. If you want to learn more about jade, check out some other full-length YouTube videos.